Just 6 kilometres from an Afghan security checkpoint in the western province of Herat, a Taliban splinter group held an open meeting with thousands of supporters. The meeting took place on November the 7th, and RFERL journalists were invited to witness it. Since the death of the former Taliban leader Molla Omar was announced in July, 2 rival factions have emerged in the group. This large public meeting was a show of force by the smaller faction, led by Molla Mohammad Rasul. At the meeting, it was announced that Rasul had been elected the interim head of all Taliban forces, a claim contested by the other faction. He told the crowds his aim was to free Afghanistan of foreign troops. He said Islamic State and Al-Qaeda militants were brothers, but should stay out of Afghanistan. However, an Afghan official told RFERL that Islamic State fighters had been helping his faction in clashes with rival Taliban forces that claimed 50 lives in recent days.